So today we're going to take a couple cars down to our local car show at the Appleyard. I've worked on all of them in some sort of way, so we're all going to head down there together. It should be good fun. So first of all, we've got an Austin 12.4. This is my neighbour's, and this was sat for about 3 years. It didn't go on the road or anything, and I helped to get it going again. It didn't take too much effort, but we've had to play with the oil pressure a bit to get it right, and that's about it, to be honest. And next we've got a Sunbeam Talbot 90. Now this one we've had some fuel issues, and so we had to do the fuel pump, which kept sticking behind the cam instead of going on it, so that took us ages to get on. And now we need to fiddle with the mixture a bit, and that should be about it. Oh yeah, we did the brakes as well. We've had to put a new brake cylinder on because one of them got stuck open.
The master cylinder too?
Oh yeah, bloody hell. Yeah, we did the master cylinder as well. We had to put that on, and that was when we were bleeding the system. That was when one of them got stuck open, which is a sign that it's been sat there for a fair while. Now we've got the Austin Hereford. This is one of my favourites, and I actually haven't done anything to this because it just carries on going. But I'm sure at some point we'll do the oil and valve gaps. And now we've got the Austin 7. This is the one that we do the whole YouTube channel about, so I'm sure you know what we do on that. We've had to do all of the engine, rear bearing, which is slipping on the crank again, but we'll be soon to get that sorted, I'm sure.
I can't do it, I can weld, but I won't weld anything really quick.
No, jump for spares. No, easy enough to get spares for. Yeah.